To the story now about how a mobile police post has contributed to a downturn in crime in a St. Catherine community once plagued by violence. It's located in the Gregory Park area, and as you'll hear in this report from Kirk Wright, developers are now being sought to invest in low-income housing.
Gregory Park in St. Catherine has been plagued by violence for some time, forcing some residents to flee. Gangsters were known to torch houses and commit murders in the community.
2 years ago, we had Diane, who was killed right there. We had incidents just literally right where we are, incidents in front of us, behind us.
The police have now established a mobile police post in Gregory Park intended to deter possible criminal activities.
Since this post has been here now, I have not had one single report of a major act of violence between the communities. And we still have the tool of state of public emergency. We'll use any element that is required to provide public safety at any point in time. The decision, of course, let me emphasize, the operational decision depends on the discussion and intelligence of the high command of the police.
This has really normalized a sort of peacefulness within the community. The residents are very happy, they're thankful for it. And what the police presence does is, we speak about proximity policing, but there's still the element of what we, old school community policing.
The Member of Parliament says stability is returning to the community.
You have a bar right there, you have a shop right here, and they were open until 2 a.m. on the weekend.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the police post doesn't mean that other police strategies will come to an end.
We have 7 zones of special operation, which were renewed yesterday in Parliament, and we are looking at how we can expand that as the budget becomes available. We may be able to wind down a couple of them early in the new year, but we are going to expand into other areas which deal with the complete holistic development of our community.
The Member of Parliament says discussions can now resume with developers about the construction of low-income housing.
In the past, we engaged NHT and the HAJ. Of course, the crime and violence literally hindered the development of this community and the community of Mexico. We actually started the survey. Now that peace is restored, now that we are normalizing the security presence, strong security presence, we're now going to go back to the HAG, we're going back to Chase, we're going back to NHT, we're going back so that we can get some of these government programs on board.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.